a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. That you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but she needed proof. You saw her breathing on the roof. The beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Naman ko siya inanaw. Ang pindot pa minaw ba? Saka gamay ba? Saka na bridge or saka?
Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody overthrough ya. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who has seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Kaya mabuo ra may ba? Kaya I mean, dili. Dili kag instruments, go po ang kanta. Natay pullback, mawa dili sila jid. Okay, mga nung sana. Hindi do ka booking na tao. Dito na lang